this guy arrived at an abandoned temple, he started spotting some very familiar figures. Upon closer look...
Have you seen these types of videos that are going viral right now? Today, we're going to create exactly these kinds of videos. First of all, you need to look at this channel. This is the same viral style channel that I showed you before. Yes, this is a story level type of channel. It shows something at the start, something unusual, something interesting, and then later it explains what that thing actually was, how it happened, and what went on with it. Everything is explained step by step in the video. You can clearly see that in every video, there is an arrow or a circle, exactly like the same viral style channel we discussed earlier. If we talk about subscribers, right now it has around 140,000 subscribers. Now, if we talk about earnings, this channel's making around $3,000 per month and around $126,000 per year, which in my opinion is a very high income. You can see the earnings in front of you. I've already prepared a text-style master prompt for you. This master prompt includes everything: 5 scenes, duration, scene style, image prompt, video prompt, and voiceover. Everything is included in this prompt, so you can create videos in the exact same style. All you need to do is go to the link in the description. Copy the prompt and then paste it into ChatGPT. As soon as you paste it, ChatGPT will generate everything for you: overall style, video structure, all scenes, image prompts, video prompts, and voiceover. All 5 scenes. If you feel your voiceover is not enough, then simply type, "Please add more voiceover lines in all scenes." Just click enter, and it will upgrade your script and give you 3 to 4 lines of voiceover for each scene. Now let's talk about the tool. Today, the tool we are going to use is called Magic Hour. Yes, Magic Hour. At the start, you might have already seen some videos, and yes, these exact types of videos we are going to generate from here. This tool allows you to generate both images and videos. You can see options like Dance 2, Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana 2 free, which means you can generate free images. As soon as you come here, you need to log in. The link will be in the description. Once you log in, you will get around 100 free credits daily, which you can use to generate both images and videos. You can also see many tools here: image to video, AI image editor, face swap video, talking photo, voice tools, and more. This tool is very fast and very powerful. Now first, go to Create. Then go to Image. After that, you will see AI Image Generator. Click on it. Now you need to select a model. There are many models available, but for consistent results, select Nano Banana Pro or Nano Banana 2. Now I will go to ChatGPT, copy the overall style prompt, and paste it here. Then I will go back again, copy the first image prompt, and paste it as well. And I will also add one more instruction. Please also add a red color circle near the eye. This will help create the same viral style visuals like we saw in the thumbnails. Now set your resolution to 2K, or you can also select 4K if you want better quality. Select the aspect ratio and click Generate. Now your first image generation will start. Within a few seconds, your image will be ready. Now we check the result. Sometimes the image is generated, but the red circle is not added. So what we do is simply regenerate or slightly adjust the prompt. You can again add, "Please also add a red circle." Then click Generate again. Now, after a few seconds, the image will be ready with the red circle and arrow, exactly the way we want it. Now, we repeat the same process. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the next image prompt, paste it here, set resolution again, and click Generate. The next image will start generating. After a few seconds, it will be ready. Now we preview the image to see if it looks good and powerful. Again, if the circle is missing, you can regenerate or slightly adjust the prompt. Then generate again. Now you can see, this time the circle is added. Now again, go back to ChatGPT, copy the next prompt, replace it here, set resolution, and click Generate. The next image will start generating. After a few seconds, it will be ready. Now this robot-style image is also ready, with the circle added. The images look very powerful and high quality. Now continue the same process for all remaining prompts. Replace prompt, click Generate, and create images one by one. You can also use other models if you want, but for consistent style, it is better to use the same model. Now all images are ready. Next step, download all images. Now we use AI Image Editor. Go back, find the image editor, click on it, and open it. Now upload your image, then type, "Please add a red circle near the eye." Select your quality, select your model, and click Generate. Now the editor will start processing. After a few seconds, your edited image will be ready. You can see the circle is added near the eye exactly as we wanted. This AI image editor helps you fix or improve images if something is missing. Next step is image to video. So guys, next is the video generator. Now simply go back. After going back, go to Create. Once you are inside Create, you will see the option called Image to Video. Simply click on it. Now here, you will see an option called Add Effects. From here, you can apply different effects if you want. You will also see different categories like translation, visual effects, and many more options. Then you will see the model selection. Inside models, you will find many tools like Seedance 2, Google VO3, Kling 3, Sora, and other similar models. Now personally, I use the first one, Kling 3 model. After selecting the model, you need to upload your image. Once the image is uploaded, go back to ChatGPT, copy your video prompt with voiceover, and paste it here. Now select your duration. Set your resolution to 1080p. Keep multi-shot and audio options enabled. Once everything is ready, simply click on Generate. As soon as you click Generate, your first video will start generating. Now let me tell you one more important thing. This tool also gives free credits, so you can generate both images and videos for free. Also, Seedance 2 is available here, and you can generate professional videos using it as well. I will explain more about it later. Also, this is not just one tool. You will find many tools here, such as face swap, lip sync, and many more. For example, if you want to add lip sync to a character, you can upload the character, paste your script, and it will convert your video into a lip-synced version. Now, after a few seconds, your video will be ready. Let's preview the result. So guys, the result is now ready. The video is not extremely perfect, but it has generated exactly according to the prompt. There is slight zoom, voiceover is included, and, for example, in our rabbit character, one eye is missing. It generated something similar to that, so, in my opinion, it has generated a good result. Now, moving to the next, I upload the next image. After uploading, I go back again, copy the second video prompt with voiceover, and paste it here. You can also select Seedance 2, but for text-to-video style prompts, some models work better. So here, I select Google VO3, then I select duration, for example 8 seconds, and click Generate. Now sometimes, some models may fail to generate the video. If that happens, simply change the model. For example, if VO3 fails, switch back to Kling 3. After that, your video will be generated successfully. Sometimes the issue is not the model, but the prompt itself. If there is any mismatch in the prompt, the video may fail to generate. Now, the next video is ready. This one looks more professional. The style has changed slightly, with a darker and more cinematic feel. Now I upload the third image. This time, I slightly change the prompt. Now I select Google VO3 again. Set duration, resolution, paste the prompt from ChatGPT, and click Generate. Now the generation starts. After a few seconds, the video will be ready. Now let's check the result. Oh my god. It has even added lip sync to the character. And the background visuals look very strong. In my opinion, this looks even better than Kling 3. It looks very beautiful and professional. So I download this video as well. Now, when everything is ready, let me show you one more feature. There is also an option called Text to Video. You can generate videos directly from text. Simply click on Text to Video. After clicking, select Seedance 2 model. Now go to ChatGPT and ask for a master prompt in the same channel style, including output, sound design, everything. It will generate a full prompt for you. Now copy that prompt and paste it here. Now select resolution. Seedance supports around set duration, for example 12 seconds. Select aspect ratio, choose quality, and click Generate. You can also add reference images if you want. Now generation will start. After a few seconds, your video will be ready. Now you can see, the video looks very professional and beautiful. Sometimes it feels a bit conceptual, and sometimes Seedance 2 may fail, but the solution is simple. Just change the model. Still, as you can see, Seedance 2 has generated a very good result. Also, you will find many more tools here like script to video, image to video, talking photo, lip sync, video upscaler, voice generator, voice cloner, voice changer, and video to audio. Everything is available in one place. Now, if we talk about pricing, there is a free plan where you get around 400 credits. You can create short videos and generate images as well. Then, there is a creator plan where you get around 120,000 credits. And there are more plans as well. You can choose any plan and start generating videos using Magic Hour. So guys, the link will be in the description. Simply go there, start creating videos, and go viral. See you in the next video.